Hello, welcome to Fulvia Classics and our latest addition to the sporting department. We've got a race and rally prepped full FIA papered Fulvia 1300. Quite a special car. It's had a lot of money spent on it by its previous keeper. Basically a 1300S Series 2 Coupe. It's been converted for rallying or mod racing, road racing, sprinting, whatever you care to do with it. A very quick little car. It's running on twin 40 Del Autos with the correct works inlet manifold. Also got aluminium doors, aluminium boot lid. It's got HF front suspension. Comes with a choice of wheels. It's got the road wheels on it, directional road wheels on it at the moment, but it also has the Chromodoras with the Yokohama track day tyres, which make the car handle and go very well on the tarmac. It's got the Corello Megalux front lights. It's got the proper sealed fuel tank, proper roll cage, extinguisher. Let's just show you inside the car. Bit difficult to see inside because it's dark, but it's all been done very nicely indeed. Got the proper period bucket type seats. Separate array of gauges, a trip meter. Also got an extended gear lever, which makes it very comfortable to drive. And it's got all the bags and everything in the back for all your crash helmets and books and maps. Very, very, very nice car. No rust on the car at all. It's got the fuel pumps, twin fuel pumps in the boot, which are operated from the front inside the car. Reverse light, fog light, all working, mud flaps. Quick fill Group 4 fuel cap straight through into the tank. Very pretty little car, very nicely built. Let's have a look under the bonnet. And there the twin Del Autos with the proper Fulvia inlet manifold. Beautiful inside. No rust anywhere. No damage. All the suspension legs all straight. Just a very nice, tight car to drive. If you'd like any information on the car, any further info, come and have a look at it. Just get in touch at fulviaclassics.com. Thank you.